Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. So today I'm playing with macaroni salad and we're going to be making a Pennsylvania Dutch macaroni salad. And the main difference here is just going to be adding, it's like a sweet vinegar mayo dressing with some mustard, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it up right now. I've got some cooked macaroni to al dente. I've got some hard-boiled egg. I have a half of a hard-boiled egg. This is going to make about a one-person serving. Throwing in some celery. And we've got a little bit of carrot. Pretty typical so far. So the only difference really that I'm seeing here with this style, throw in your dressing, is adding that mustard, which is going to give it a little kick. Now I have a spicy brown. You can add just about any kind you want. The yellow mustard really doesn't do much. It's just super strong. It'll just take over. So I don't know if I'd use that one. But like Grey Poupon, gotta love that stuff. So here you go. Macaroni salad goes with everything. It's like the perfect barbecue food. And here you have it. Pennsylvania Dutch Macaroni Salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.